clown.
That's called an evil clown. This will be definitely a good 4th of July party.
Yes! Found these.
Well, we'll see, buddy, okay?
So how much packs we have to get?
I think this is where we're going to get all our stuff, right? About now. So we are day 2 of Memorial Day weekend. I recorded a lot yesterday, but right now, ready for breakfast. And I am full, as always. Had breakfast, and we got to run to Home Depot for a new garbage disposal because that broke, which is okay, not a big deal. That'll take 10 minutes. But the big thing is, we're gonna go get some fireworks.
Look at this!
We're gonna have a 4th of July party like nobody's business. We used to have them a lot. Then we kind of stopped for a few years, but I think we're gonna have an epic firework. My brother's coming into town from Arizona. So yeah, we should be about 100 people strong. That will definitely be on YouTube. And let us know how you guys spend 4th of July.
Dad.
This kid is shooting at that bug.
No, that's a lie.
Go ahead. Wah, wah. All right, come on. Let's go check out some fireworks. Okay, go ahead, hurry up. Almost. Okay, you gotta go potty? Los vamonos. That's called an evil clown.
It's fireworks.
That is fireworks. This will be definitely a good 4th of July party.
Found these.
Well, we'll see, buddy, okay?
See what we like. Yes. We have these out.
I think this is where we're going to get all our stuff, right? About now. How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Living the dream, buddy. Living the dream.
I know. I still blame it.
Let's get to shopping.
Coupons, it doesn't work with the bonus here.
Oh, it doesn't work with the bonus.
No, it does not work with this bonus.
Oh my. Tinsel.
Great.
Start with that. I'm in a pickle. You just scared everybody. You said what happened? You scared Daddy. Come here, buddy. No, keep it because we gotta buy it. Come here. It's okay. Come here.
Yeah, you're good.
You scared us all. You scared me. I know that. Would you drop it out of the package? You said what happened? They have the louder ones over there. You want to get the louder ones? Okay, but don't drop those, okay? So no more touching stuff. Okay. Are you happy? Yeah.
Glorious customer appreciation for spending over $400.
Oh my gosh. I did spend over 400, didn't I? Oh, look at this, huh? What? Because Daddy's going to have fun on this 4th of July.
You have enough fireworks.
Yeah, but the problem is we're getting more. Yeah. I know we got more coming.
So we're done?
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. We'll just do them all tonight. How about that? So we got back from Phantom Fireworks a little while ago, and man, did we do a doozy. We got all kinds of good stuff. Gonna have a really good 4th of July party. Let me just show you what we kind of got. I think you saw it before, but let me see if I can go through this real quick. Let's see here. So 9 shot over here. We got 115 shot, and we got a couple things on the bottom. Bandemonium. That thing is insane. It's a finale, part of the finale when you do 9 shots and then you put that finale down. Oh my god, it's so awesome. We had one a couple years ago. I think we had one last year. Epic, absolutely epic. So yeah, it's gonna have a big 4th of July party. Gearing up now. Figured while we were out here in Wisconsin, it's only like a 30-40 minute drive out to Beloit, so not too bad. But yeah, we're on day 2 on Memorial Day weekend. This little one has been on this thing all day. I don't think her brother's been off it for more than, I don't know, 5 minutes. I think she's finally taking a break. Haven't had to put gas in this thing for probably a year, maybe longer. Today might be that day. So yeah, I just took a ride. She's actually doing really good. She drives really, really, really good. Really impressive for being 9 years old that she can drive that thing. I'm pretty sure other kids can, but this is my little one, so to me, it's very impressive. Yeah, she just goes. They even blocked it off, like a little game type thing they've been doing. I don't know. And there's... What do you... Now a donut? What about dinner? Oh, more sugar. Was that Grandma or Grandpa gave it to you?
Mommy.
Mama gave that to you? So we are back. We're back from Wisconsin after the 2 days of relaxation. But as you can see behind me, those little ones are just, they still keep on going. Anyways, well, today definitely wasn't as crazy as yesterday, but definitely still fun. Unfortunately, couldn't go out to the water, but that's all right. Everybody had a blast. So with that, we are done for today. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. We really appreciate the Ckidz. They definitely appreciate. That's Penelope, as you guys probably all know, because, well, like I said, I don't think she has a home. That's okay. We love everybody coming here anyways. So, you guys have a good night. Thanks for watching.